Hey there, I'm Divya and you are watching Passion Strokes. Welcome to my another video of watercolor learning. So today again it's part 2 of Greek landscape. So what are you waiting for? If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's start painting. The first step of any watercolor painting is of course to sketch. So do a rough outline of your image or the landscape and then start wetting the paper and go layer by layer. Watercolor painting basically goes by 3 layers of painting. So the first layer has to be very light. So as you can see, I did complete my sky and the water, and I'm doing the first coat for the door and the windows. For the first coat, it has to be very light shade, and gradually we will go from lighter shade to the darker shade. You can choose your color as per your wish. I wanted the door to have a Greek finish, and in most of the Greek landscape you will see the walls are white and the windows are obviously blue. So in order to make the shadow, we have to be very careful. The shadow has to be of the lightest shade. So for shadow I have used deep magenta and blue mixed, but I have a lot of water on my brush so that it becomes light and it just leaves a subtle impression of the shadow, of course. So now it's time to make the creeper. So again I'm going from the lighter shade to the darker shade. I started using viridian green and lemon yellow, and gradually I mixed sap green and viridian green to go for the darker shade. Whenever you are drawing any building, we have to be very careful for its shadow, because it's the daytime you are showing in your painting, so it should also show the shadow of the building. Similarly, for the shadow of the roof, if you can see, I have used a very light shade of the same brown which I used for the roof, and that's actually giving a very realistic look of the shadow. If you can look at the left side window, you will see how beautiful the shadow looks. Now it's time to do the third coat. Third coat is basically the finishing touch which we give to our painting. Finishing touch is very important because at the end you can analyze at what point you have to highlight, what things you can highlight in your painting to make it more beautiful. And then of course you need to remove the masking tape, clean the table, and ta-da! Your painting is ready now. Although you have to wait for some time for let it dry. Wow! See how beautiful the painting looks now. I hope you enjoyed this quick video tutorial on watercolor painting. Please watch my other videos in my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Thank you.